Mr. Henton Alivio and Miss Alexi Dane Moriel Cabilin. Career Lim. Of course, hindi magpahuli si Mr. Paul Anthony Merto at Miss Nicole Ebeo. Welcome the newlywed John Lee and Pinker, or should I say Mr. and Mrs. You may now take your seat. Alright, hi! Nalingaw ko ba kay ano? I-add ko ni Pinker lately, mga few nights ago. Alam ko, shake add na ko. I mean, friends din me. Pero na-shock ako ba lang mga may itaslo na siya. Okay, how are you feeling today? Okay na, kanto-kanto na kita ba? Mari ako bali-bali sa kastansya. Natin mga taga-stansya din eh. Wala! Ay, mga taga-stansya! Oo. Okay, hi, Pinker. Congratulations! How are you feeling today?
Diba?
Makahilang po sila ang mga kung ano. Alright, congratulations guys. Okay, before we continue, I have several questions. Ano? Kinsa diri ang immediate family members of the groom and bride? Raise your hands. Okay. Alright. Okay. Kinsa diri ang relatives of the groom and bride? Relatives? Okay. Family friends. Friends of the groom and bride. So, kontra mo. Wala pa sila standard na doon. Okay, that's why we asked ko because I have several questions about them. So, I bet kabalo mo sa answer. If you know the answer, you can just raise your hand and I will be the one to pick. So, ladies and gents, are you ready?
Yes!
Kana ba? Okay. First question. Where did the couple first meet? Again, where did the couple first meet? Who can answer? Sharo, walay kabalo ang hello lang ka. Your answer is... Tinood ba? I believe. Kaya sa tayo na yung basketball lang ka. Ang mukha ka na. Okay, who can answer? Yes. N-O is correct. Sa NPI, ganun pa mga kabalo. Okay, ano ang pupo? Oo, habang nagsayaw-sayaw mo dito na rin ang buong relasyon. Okay, next question. I'll just say it in Bisaya na lang para mas intense. Okay. Kinsay unang di I love you? Yes, you can guess. Oo. Kinsa, sir? Julie! Ay, nalas Julie Dili daw. Si Julie is correct. Alright. Okay. Kani, where did the couple go on their first date? Or asa ilang first date? Ano ka na yung champion? I'm sure mo lang ba? Yeah. Ay, bilis ako. Okay. Ay, ako pa rin kayo na. Okay. Guwapo kayo. Okay. Asa sila first na date? M.I. Sa mga wala kabaluan ng M.I. sa N.O. Diba N.O. Ang M.I. is mysterious insect. Dito may makihilaw sa una pwede. Those are these. Depende. Okay, sa M.I. Duwin ko na tayo. Si Julie. Okay, asa?
Mo rin itong MI.
Freedom Park. Is correct. Anak ba? Oo, ang freedom sa una, bilangkan-bilangkaran naman na nakuha na masaya-sayaw ni. Oo. Sige, last question. Okay, last question. Kinsa ang seloso o selosa? Pinaka seloso o selosa? Si Julie, oh. Si Kinsa? Oh, Julie daw. Motorol kong pinker. Eh ano, ang babae sige nagsakto. Happy wife is happy life. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan sa nato. Thank you very much. Okay, and at this moment, may I request the couple to please stand right here for the cutting of the wedding cake. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, in every wedding reception, there is always the cutting of the wedding cake, which actually symbolizes couple share future and their life as one, and may be sprinkled with love and sweetness just like the cake. So the groom will first feed his bride with cake, followed by the bride. And of course, wait sa no? Kay wala pang yung ko, kay karoon na siya po kabalo, na kamuda ikas doon, I think we deserve another kiss from the couple. Right? Yeah. So please, kindly give us a kiss. I think mga 1 minute will do. Okay, please show us some love. Give us one more kiss. Alright, ready? Give me no kiss.